Teka muna,
Angulo.
lilinawin ko lang ha. Tinanggal niyo na ba yung attitude niyo na phase 1, phase 2,
Wala na po sir nun. Wala sir nun. Wala po sa dito.
Kinakabahan na naman
This
ako
is
dyan
just
sa...
it.
No, you say promise.
Yeah.
Kaya nagre-reklamo na yung mga constituents lahat yung sa tabi ng ilog. Kasi hindi naman binabaha yun. Kung nasira yung floodgate. Ano na, 3 weeks na akong nagsasakripisyo yung mga tagapako. Baka lang sakali mapabilis ito.
Our strategy sir is maglalagay po tayo ng stop log. Ang stop log po ito yung mga steel frame na stop log na galing din po ito.
Para hindi mag-backflow.
Para hindi po mag-backflow. Ang naging dahilan po ng pagbaha kasi is kung mataas ang Pasig River, ito po papasok sa Paco River. Nagiging sadya ng pagbaha. With this stop log na ilalagay po, ito po ang kumbaga magpipigil yung sa difference ng kanilang taas ng Pasig at ng Paco.
Gano'ng katagal yun, Ricardo?
Okay, sir. Ito po ay how long do we install this? From 1 week to
Yeah, 2 weeks.
we have a plan, sir, as a recommended by the consultant.
Yeah, we prepare this repair schedule. First 2 weeks is the emergency repair to prevent explosion from the plastic.
No, they stop at the back, yung backflow.
Yeah.
Ilang araw yun?
Okay.
How long do you intend to, or your plan to install this stop log so that the flood water will not go into the
Temporarily.
Temporary.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Mayor, the temporary stop log po can be placed in 1 week.
Yeah.
Meaning, meron na po tayo rito dalawa. We intend to place 4. Kasi po ang taas ng
But
tubig.
you already manufactured the metal.
Yes, sir.
Ready na.
Yes, sir. Nung panahon po na akala natin ay walang nangyayari, we are fabricating this in the contractor's
Oh,
yard.
kasi 3 weeks ago,
That's right,
pinangako
sir.
niyo
That's
sa
right,
akin.
sir.
I went there
Yes, sir.
and I assure yung mga taga-Paco
Yes, sir.
na nakausap ko si Chairman Artes at saka si Secretary Vince na ayusin.
Yes, sir.
Alam mo, hindi mo masisisi yung mga taga ron. Nagkakasakit na yung mga magkakapit-bahay. Wala namang ulan, may baha. But anyway, can you really assure the people of Manila, especially the Paco area,
Yes, sir.
in 2 weeks, temporarily,
Stop log.
walang baha,
Wala pong backflow.
walang
Backflow,
backflow?
yes, sir.
Hindi, ang dahilan ng baha, backflow.
Backflow, that's right.
Oh, tapos, yung damage sa floodgate naman.
Okay.
Ah,
Ang mechanism po ng pagpapagawa o pag-repair natin is once we put the stop log, wala na pong papasok na tubig. Kung tumaas man ang tubig ng Paco, nandiyan po ang MMDA. At a certain elevation, they will pump it out. I think 11.8 or something. Kasi yung 11.8, may mga barangay na pong binaba. 671, 672, 674.
yes.
MMDA po magte-take care doon. Now, how do we take the repair? Gagawa po tayo dito sa ating pong floodgate ng tinatawag na working platform. Gaya po ng isang sirang vessel o isang barko, we need to place this on top of that. That is the methodology. Why? Kasi po nawala na po sa
Teka muna,
angulo.
lilinawin ko lang ha. Tinanggal niyo na ba yung attitude niyo na phase 1, phase 2,
Wala na po sir nun. Wala sir nun. Wala po sa dito.
Kinakabahan na naman
This
ako
is
dyan
just
sa...
a repair sir. This is just a repair sir. So
Hindi,
wala.
kahit repair, may phase 1, phase 2.
And we show them the what they call this, the working platform where we need to lift this 50-ton gate, the whole of it, and place it on top.
You promise 2 weeks, no more backflow.
Yeah, we already got the permission from Manila City, so
Yeah.
hopefully they can install within 2 weeks.
No, you say promise.
Yeah.
Because I'd rather take your promise than the
Yeah.
old one.
I will try to support contractor.
So once na ito po ay ma-lift sir sa ating working platform, then ito po ay i-strengthen, patitibayin. From the previous na bolts lang, patitibayin natin, lalagyan natin ng mga plancha and bracing. And then once it is kumbaga completely leveled and squared, then ibabagsak na po natin ulit dito to restore yung ating pump.
Pero ano yan, tatanggalin ulit yung stop log. Kasi doon din siya mismo
Yes,
di ba?
yes sir, that's right.
Doon pa rin siya.
Ang stop plug location po is different, from
Different.
the
So hindi kailangan alisin
Hindi
habang
kailangan.
kinakabit to.
That's
So
right.
you can work separately.
Yes.
Yes sir, correct. So that is
Promise 2 weeks ha. Because I'm gonna tell
2 weeks stop plug sir ha.
Hindi, hindi. I'm telling you, what is important is the immediate action. the Band-Aid solution to lessen the possibility of regular daily flooding in the community is the stop flood. That we can assure to the people of Paco in 1 week. Makukusyon.
Yes, yes, sir. Tama.
Pero ngayon, kung gagawin floodgate, ilan?
For the
1,
whole
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 months.
Yeah.
By March.
Second week of March.
Sige, importante lang naman kasi, alam niyo, like to share it to you. Ang importante nalalaman ng tao yung period. Para naman may certainty. Kasi pagka ganun, araw-araw, hindi nila alam kung may mangyayari ba o wala. Promise ha. March, finish. 2 weeks before New Year. No more flooding. Hopefully, no more flooding because of the stop flood. Can you show me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Mayor, habang nandito po pala tayo, one issue is this material recovery facility by the DND. Kasi ang ating pong train kailangan makalapit doon.
Pumayag naman ba sila?
Pumayag na po sila. As long as we will restore. Diyan tumagal po.
Hindi, you cannot blame them. This is private.
That's right, sir, that's right. We have to be cautious.
Pero ito kasi nung araw, nung nandito yung river, masinop ito mag-alaga ng ilog namin dito. Yung portion na talagang but anyway, pumayag naman na sila.
Pumayag, sir. We have a written request and they approve.
Salamat naman. Ingatan nyo lang yung mga
Yes, sir.
nila.
Babalik naman nyo yan, di ba?
Yes, sir. We will restore what we will remove.
Halika, pasilip mo nga. Sige sir, silipin
We can
namin siya.
look at this side po.
Ayun yung ano, mismo
Kasi ito na. Saan siya nakakasigat?
yan, talagang nasira lang na. Lumangga.
Doon lang sa loob.
Kasi para itumbang mo yun.
Pressure na ng tubig yung island.
Kahoy.
Malaking visibility. So the strategy is up po sa gitna, then iaangat yan. Yung mga bakal na yun, sir, that is actually the I-beam na na-install na that will serve as the working platform. Diyan po ipapatong.
Basta walang kawayan ha.
Wala po. Wala po, sir.
Nakakabahan ako. Hardly ha.
Yes, sir. Apo.
Oo, kawawa naman yung mga taga-Paco. Mahirap din mamuhay na araw-araw may kamay sa kalsada. May 20 ka ba? Bawat picture, bawat isang araw ha. Halika na kayo.
Salamat, Mayor.
Hindi mo lang sa akin. Sige, hindi mo. Ito naman sa likod mo eh.